Hello everybody, welcome to Club Fred. Today is the 55th day since I began a 38-day extended water fast, and now I'm a solid 2 weeks into my maintenance protocol. Today is my second water fasting Monday. Last week, Monday, I completed about 48 hours because I stopped eating on Sunday morning and I began eating again on Tuesday morning because I'm doing an OMAD, 1 meal a day protocol. And I lost about 4 pounds. And then upon refeeding, I regained almost 2 pounds. But today, this morning, I weighed the same as I did on Tuesday morning of this past week. 204.6 pounds. And what that means is that last Monday morning I was 4 pounds heavier than I am this Monday morning, so I lost 4 pounds in a week while eating like a king. I really, truly do eat like a king. I will post some photos of my meals at the end of this video. So I'm just checking in with you to let you know that my maintenance protocol is coming off perfectly as planned. I'm getting better results than I anticipated. I was hoping to simply maintain my weight, to find a eating protocol that was just maintaining every day, if not maybe just a slight loss, but never a gain. So I've leveled off and I've done that. But I'm also getting slight losses every day, and I think I can attribute that to I'm trying, when possible, to get 10,000 steps in a day, and I have some days where I do that. Yesterday I wasn't even specifically looking for steps and I did 4,000 steps. I didn't even go for a walk. But the day before I did 12,000 steps. When you do over 10,000 steps, you burn almost 300 calories, according to MyFitnessPal. So I couldn't be happier. If all I was getting was 2 pound losses per week while I'm eating so well, I would be really thrilled, but it looks to me like this past week I got a 4 pound loss. And this is fed weight, right? When you're fasting, you have a water weight correction that you know you're going to be putting some back on. So you can always look at 4 to 6 pounds, usually heavier than what you're getting. Oh, I'm driving and I see people out on the patios. So the world is opening back up again post-COVID. Slowly. That's encouraging to see. Yeah, so anyway, that's what's going on with me. I am eating very low carb. I'm trying for 20 grams net carbs or less. That's hard to do because even vegetables like the broccoli and cauliflower I put in my bowls has the most carbs, which is crazy, even net carbs. But some foods like avocado almost have 0 carbs because the fiber cancels out. And sauerkraut, I put one sauerkraut into MyFitnessPal and it had like 4 carbs and 5 grams of fiber. So it was actually lowering my count, which was kind of interesting. So I'm eating really well. Very happy. I am checking in. I'm not really sure if people are really all that interested in following a maintenance protocol. There's a lot more interest and views on my fasting videos. But you have to remember something. Fasting is not hard. It's the easiest hard thing you're ever going to do. But you know, if I just gave $10 million to a kid and they had no guidance and they had no financial planning expertise, they could lose that money so fast. It would be easy come, easy go. And if you don't have a really solid, well thought out maintenance protocol, something that you can follow really well, then it's just easy to lose the weight, and it's just as easy, if not easier, to gain it all back. It's almost a little bit scary when you start eating again to see how much weight gain you have, even in the first couple of days. For me, it was almost 8 pounds this time, and I know it's a water weight correction. It's not fat, but it's still kind of disappointing because I got down under 200. I was 199, and all of a sudden I was 208. But within a couple weeks, I'm back down very close to Wonderland again. And as you start your maintenance protocol and you start seeing little losses and you're registering that weight on the scale, and you know that it is fed weight and you're not playing with that water weight correction, that's just equally as encouraging. So I'm doing well, guys. I hope you guys are doing well and you're all sitting pretty, ready to enjoy this beautiful summer that is unfolding around us. And I hope that the world is going to come back to some sanity. So listen, thanks for watching. Love yourself, stay safe, be awesome. Hello everybody, it's June 15th. No, that's not right.